may email kami. It's a very small group. Probably we're 30. 30 lang kami. Oo.
So all officers
Including including spouses and ano na yun. Pero we've been active. Aside from initiative namin sa Manila, we also, scholarship assistance program namin, we're also sending books and some medical supplies. Most of us in the group are nurses. So may mga medical supplies kami pinapadala sa ospital ng Manila kasi yun ang base hospital namin eh. And it's a very poor hospital in Manila. Ang library din namin is a very poor library sa loob ng eskwela. So we're trying to help them out. We send books from time to time. So yun yung mga initiatives. Salamat po ng marami. I hope you enjoyed yung lunch. Courtesy ni Maya at ng staff niya.
So ano yung mga initiative nyo sa Manila?
Yung scholarship assistance program namin, yung mga pamasahe, project ng mga estudyante, every semester meron kami. We tied up with the PLM Scholarship Funding Inc. sa Manila, yung PLM SFI, based sa PLM mismo. They're also screening students, pero mas malaki yung kanilang pondo doon sa Manila.
So nagpa-fundraising kayo dito?
Yes, we definitely do.
How?
Dinner dance fundraising.
Casino Rama.
Thank you.
Dinner dance. Lang kami pabalik.
So anong impact ng mga projects nyo?
Nakakatulong ang aming criteria for student selection, kailangan financially hard up, may needs financial. They have to be currently enrolled. Wala kami masyadong grade requirements because we know that they strive hard to maintain their scholarship in Pamantasan. So yun lang yung aming criteria. Karamihan ng mga background nila would be walang jeepney driver ang tatay, tricycle driver, nakatira sa sementeryo, sa squatter area.
So you limit your assistance to students of PLM? Is that correct?
Opo.
Okay.
Kasi maliit lang yung grupo namin, hindi kami makaka...
Okay. Thank you.
CA. Okay.